Hey, this is another short video just showing you how to install new repositories. So if you go to System, come down, you're going to be on File Manager. Open File Manager. These are a couple that's already installed, but if you want, you press Add Source. In this bar here, I'm just going to do the super repo one again. But you will put in the address. It's HTTP. You want to do colon // SRP dot, and it takes a while to put it in with the remote control, but you can download an app for your iPhone or Android phone. Once you get it in, press done. Scroll down to this box, call it whatever you like. I'm just going to call it Super. And then you press done. OK, press OK. Now you'll have it listed here. I've already got it installed, but if you did want to install it, you just go to Super, pick your system, which is Helix, get to Repositories, Super Repo, and then you would just install this. I'm just going to back up. Once it is installed, you get to Settings, Add-ons, and then you go Install from zip file. Over here, you get to Super that you install. Then you just pick all your options, Helix, get the repository. And once it's done, then you get to get add-ons, and then Super will be listed here. You just add more items that way. Alright.